Oh my god.
Dude. If you throw it right, it's right by
Yeah! Get back here, doggy! 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 Get back here! Get back here, doggy! Get back here, doggy! Get back here, doggy! Get back here, doggy! Get back here, doggies! Gotta get back here, doggies! Get back here, doggies! Get back here, doggies! Going up the fence? Well, that's good enough. Go pet doggies, go pet doggies, go pet doggies. Go pet doggies, go pet doggies. Go pet doggies. Go pet doggies. Going through the house. Chasing the bone like it's a thing. Getting loose on energy. Better rush. No! Never rush. We gotta pitch
again. I'll stop her. I'll try to.
I can't even face one more time with this and get it a little too festive for you. The trap loose bug in the wild woods.
Got it.
Getting more and more.
I got her.
Get the doggy, get the doggy, get the doggy, 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 doggy. Doggy, doggy. The dog is coming for you in slow motion. You've been festered.
Are you filming it?
No. It's not. It was at 0.9. Doggy, going around people. Look at that little cute bone. But don't worry, it will be sealed through the night we wait to get a bone. Wow, this is gonna take a lot of sleep. I can't imagine how much this is. Get ready for the battle of the doggy site. It's the doggy site. The doggy site. It's the doggy site. Doggy site. Doggy site. It's the doggy site. It's the doggy. It's the doggy site. It's the doggy site. Get the bone. I got the bone.
Give me.
We gotta run. Get to the fence before it's okay. Run. We gotta steal the bone. Get out of here quick before the neighbors notice. We gotta go. Get out of here. Gotta go through the front gate. Get out, little stick can. Come on, we gotta go.
Guys, give me the bone.
We gotta go. It's gonna be too late pretty soon.
Pretty much down.
We might have to hide pretty soon. Don't throw the bone in the fence, or else we'll have to do this all over again. We gotta make a run. Follow me. We gotta go into the woods.
I am the bone handler.
Go. We gotta hide. Come on. We gotta go. It's getting too late. That's what time it is. It's time we leave this place. It's getting darker every second through the trees in the woods. This name.
Right, pretend you don't show up. And then I say I'm going to throw the dog bone in the fence. Then you come to stop me, but you're going super slow. Right.
Oh, rabbit! A rabbit!
Huh?
There's a rabbit over here.
Really?
Yeah.
Film it.
I see a rabbit in here, but where could it be? Well, let's see. We got the film theory of the rabbits.